Hi people, this is a demo video for eco solution for a hackathon project. This project was inspired by United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, affordable and clean energy. We were wondering how we can help society with the power of technology and satisfy the Sustainable Development Goal. This project encountered plastic garbage in the ocean, and the media was asked how massive chemical artificial garbage would be so problematic. Therefore, we came up to provide a platform for telling people what to do with their waste and guiding its users on environmental issues. The assignment promotes transformative technology of renewable energy and creative ideas that carbon efficiency. This provides directions on sustainability with the following innovation that implement meaningful climate solutions. Here's a list of renewable energy resources that can save people costs and reduce harm. With this idea, it reduces the use of fossil fuels, which helps saving natural gas and protects the environment from harmful carbon emissions. For example, here we have installed a light of CFL, which stands for compact fluorescent light bulb. This helps not only saving energy, but over the time you can end up saving money. And here we also have a section for how the energy is created, with an example of energy from moving air, biomass, and hydropower. Those are very crucial concepts, but not everybody knows how they are developed. I strongly believe that by sharing those solutions about reducing carbon and helping environment, we will have one step forward to reaching sustainable development goals. The next page here directs you to a gallery page. Recently, it is famous that in the coffee shop industry like the Starbucks, they installed a paper straw, and I see many people going under accommodation. Here, we have a list of eco-friendly items that save our energy and environment. Many of those used to be made from plastic, but thanks to huge companies like Starbucks, things became to change. So for example here, we have utensils like straw, forks and knives, coffee cups and even a toothbrush became eco-friendly goods. So here I'd like to talk about plastic classifier and image detection file. So this is basically made by two strong libraries, one called the Streamlit and one called the TensorFlow. By building this web application, I needed to use some sort of like web app, so that's why I use Streamlit. Streamlit is a strong application that let me build a web app, so that's why I am able to build this application. And also TensorFlow is a huge power for this plastic classifier app. Since I needed to have a power of machine learning to this project, I needed to have a TensorFlow here. And this is just a little disclaimer, but by using a TensorFlow, you need to have a Python 3.9 or below. If you have Python 3.10, which is the most updated version, that is not like a Python is not capable of building and doing with a TensorFlow. So I needed to actually create a virtual environment to run this app. Basically what is going on behind the system is we grab a file and put it in the application. They're going to analyze with the machine learning model and they can tell what you should do with the trash. So for example, I have a body here and they can tell what it is. Some body is really risky and dangerous if you let the child to touch it because body is made by a metal. So if you do not tape those, when you trash those away, they might cause a fire or they might cause an explosion. So dealing with the body is the one we should really focus to it, but I guess not everybody knows how we should do. Some other examples should be a glass. Like, let's say you just broke a glass, but do you really know a proper way of trash a glass? So I have a little instruction here how you should take those away and put that in the trash can. It is, for me, most safe way of trashing a grass, but at the same time, it is nice for some other people because they don't get hurt, and I think this is the most safe way for our environment too. So by having those applications with a web app with my teammate Taoho and me as a machine learning engineer, it was a great opportunity for us to build such application and thinking about a sustainable goal as a whole and you know environment as a earth. It was a great project and we were really proud of each other, and we're really thankful a hackathon event and the AWS for giving us such an opportunity to improve our skills and think about the sustainable goals. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you find it interesting.